Hi Mzansi Landers. Controversial Maskandi musician Dandeni Menkel, who is affectionately known by his stage name Igcokama Elisha, is one of the leading in the industry, as he is dubbed by many as the king in the genre. The KZN-born artist, who broke into the music scenes in 2009, has accumulated enough wealth to afford himself the finer things in life. On Thursday evening, Dandeni Menkel, who currently serves as the brand ambassador of South African clothing wear, Cute, took to his Instagram account to flaunt his assets, including a brand new BMW M3 which is priced at $1,877,388. On the day taking to the popular platform, the 33-year-old hitmaker decided to flaunt his luxurious home in Imdletseni, which has the latest state-of-the-art decors and designs, where his mother Maskandi currently resides. As if that was not enough, Dandeni Menkel, who constantly travels from KZN to Gauteng, also decided to take to Instagram to show off his beautiful modern home, which is located near Carnival City in Boksburg, where he currently resides, as spends most of his time in Johannesburg. Besides the luxurious BMW M3 he recently added to his car collection, we have since had the privilege to learn that he also owns several high-end vehicles, which includes a Range Rover Evoque, a Toyota Fortuner and a fleet of taxis, just to name a few. Since his rise to prominence, Dandeni Menkel has constantly advised youngsters in the industry to invest properly, but also letting them know that they must always dress to the nines.